In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a hyperlink into a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation within a quick 5-minute guide. Whether you are prepping for an important business pitch, school presentation, or just wanting to make your slides more interactive, adding links to external resources, websites, or even other slides in your presentation can really elevate your content. So let's dive right in and make your PowerPoint slides more engaging and resourceful. First things first, we need to open Microsoft PowerPoint. If you've just fired up your computer, you'll find PowerPoint by searching for it in your Start menu or Applications folder. Once you've clicked on its icon, the program will launch, presenting you with a dashboard. If you're working on a new presentation, feel free to start from scratch. However, if you're here to enhance an existing presentation, the next step is crucial for you. Now that we have PowerPoint open, it's time to open the file you're planning to work on. From the opening screen of PowerPoint, you should see a list of recent documents. If the document you wish to edit is among these, simply click on it. If not, you'll need to navigate to the Open option, typically found on the left-hand side menu, and browse your computer for your specific PowerPoint file. Once found, click to open it and you're ready to move to the next step. With your PowerPoint file open in front of you, the third step involves clicking on the text where you'd want the hyperlink to be embedded. If you've not yet added the text for your link, now is the time to do so. Simply choose the slide you desire to add the hyperlink in, and then use the text box tool to type in your preferred text. This text will serve as the anchor for your link, so choose or type something relevant to the link's destination. After getting your text ready, your next move is to insert the hyperlink into this text. To do this, head to the Insert tab located at the top menu of PowerPoint. This tab houses an array of options that allow you to add various elements to your slides, but for today we're specifically interested in the link option. So once you're at the Insert tab, look for the link button. It's often represented by an icon resembling a chain link, reflecting its purpose of linking text to external sources. Now, upon clicking the link button, a dialog box will appear. This is where you get to choose the destination for the link. You have two primary options here. You can either type in a web address directly if you have it handy, or if you're looking to link to a file, a specific slide within your presentation, or an email address, you can navigate through the options presented in the dialog box to select your desired link destination. Let's say you're linking to an external website. In the dialog box, there will be a field where you can enter or paste the URL. Make sure it's correct, because if there's a typo, your audience won't be directed to the right site. After inputting your link, there's usually an option to test the link to ensure it works as expected. I highly recommend doing this to avoid any hiccups during your presentation. And just like that, you've successfully added a hyperlink to your PowerPoint presentation. Make sure to save your document to retain this and any other changes you've made. To sum up, embedding hyperlinks in your PowerPoint slides not only makes your presentation more interactive, but also allows you to reference additional resources without cluttering your slides with too much information. By following the steps we've just covered, opening your PowerPoint file, selecting the text for the hyperlink, navigating to the Insert tab, clicking on Link, and specifying your link's destination, you're well on your way to creating presentations that are both informative and engaging. Remember, the key to a great presentation is not just in the information you provide, but also in how you present it. Adding hyperlinks is just one of the many ways to enhance your audience's experience, making your presentation not only a source of information, but an interactive experience.